Dear friend and fellow SD consultants, welcome to my channel Learn SAP with Prashant. So in today's video, we'll learn how to create a sales order using Manage Sales Order app. So select log on to your Fiori and then search for your app Manage Sales Order. Click it. So the Manage Sales Order app opens on the screen. Select Create and then enter your sales order type, sales organization, distribution channel, division, and press on create. So on the screen, enter the sold to party and other mandatory fields which are required to create the sales order, like how I am entering. Enter your sold to party. Okay, and enter any reference for Fiori order. Okay, now go to the items, enter the product or material. Let's enter something I. Okay, enter the quantity. Next, click on arrow to add another product. Okay, so enter the second line item product, quantity 200. Now press enter. You can click on create. Once you click on create, the sales order will be created automatically using the manage sales order app, which is an advanced version for Fiori, an alternative to create sales order VA01 option C. Our sales order has been created and the system will generate the sales order number. See here, you can see the new sales order number which has been created within the delivery. Now, if you want, you can create delivery even from here itself. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.